Okay, so first of all, very sorry for not being consistent enough for all these months.
ये जिंदा है?
But the Independence Day ride was so amazing. And here's a snippet of it.
Guys, welcome to one of the vlogs. So, अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए भाई वंडरफुल के और कैसे नजारा
Don't even tell me I needed this breakthrough. What's up, bro? Say hi. It's boiling. So what is up, YouTube? It's a new day, it's a new ride, and it is not a Sunday ride, but it is a Friday ride.
क्या? क्या बोला तूने?
And today's special occasion is about Independence Day of India. We are going to somewhere very near. This time, alag team hai. I have not organized this ride. This is under the Rough and Tough Motorcycling Club of Goa. Keeping that aside, we are headed towards Saini Motors, which is the Royal Enfield showroom in Margao. And today it is a very different opportunity that I'll be getting, and you guys will get to know what it is. First, I have to fuel up because fuel up is very necessary, you know, to run this baby.
सही पकड़े हैं.
Petrol. We are there. Okay. Always the wrong place I choose, you know. Sada rapa padmaga. What a start, guys. What a start.
हौसला रखो.
Okay, a fuel up's done. आणि आता सांगतोय आम्ही Saini Motors, which is in Ake, Margao, Goa. Ake मारते काय आले हमरे. Whatever. कळा सांगूंगा. And I'm literally motor vlogging after a huge time. Man, oh man, crazy busy days it have been in my life. Don't even tell me I needed this breakthrough. And after so many years, I'm getting to witness the flag hoisting ceremony that is organized by Saini Motors, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
Really amazing.
Okay, the flags are here. And if you guys know and watched my vlogs previously, last year I had a flag on the bike and everything was very well planned, but today I wasn't really sure that I'll be joining these guys also. What a day, what an opportunity, and I just seized it. And why not on this Independence Day where these corporate sloggers get a holiday. Independence Day, of course, from our work pressure.
मैं तो थक गई भाई.
I hope I be on time. They said the flag hoisting. अरे भैया किधर आहे? तू लेफ्ट हँड सुन राईट हँड वैतार आहे. अशा कशा जातले?
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू?
Back to the topic. I hope I am on time because they said that the flag hoisting ceremony will be at 8:30, and now it is दिखाबे. अरे धक्के रे. Lot of unknown people today. I hope Nitin is there. Nitin Nalla, at least I'll be fine. Like, I have spoken to that guy. And Zubair bhai is always there. Where should I park the bike? Where should I park the bike? These guys are here. Awkwardness getting in. Creeping in actually.
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है.
What's up, bro? Yeah, ना भाई. कोई ना मरे का काय ना मरे कातकल बसून जाय ना माझं गाणं.
Look, through the valley, through the trees, darkness with the leaves, you might just hear on the breeze. Trying to call to me inside the raises from the sun. Time has just become a spring is born and war is won.
And there you go. As you can see, I have a flag mounted here, which has been given to us by Saini Motors. Very thankful to them. Big shout out.
Thanks.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
And because of this stupid rain, हमका रेनकोट घालपाचं पडलं. Frustrating.
देख 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 देख.
कैमरा दिखा नहीं. Pose मगा दिया. Let's go. Let's go. Maintain the distance. And here we begin with our ride. Big respect to the marshals that we have alongside us. This is actually feeling like the Independence ride, dude. Woohoo! Traffic signals giving us a 70-second delay. By the way, this is the Royal Enfield Classic 650, which is on my right. Man, it feels so amazing, you know, to ride in this traffic, getting all the attention. Look at the attention, look at the attention. These guys are in so sync, man, to control the traffic. Look at Nitin, dude, handling the traffic like anything.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
I mean, it could have been just a normal group ride, but since it is an Independence Day and we have our flags on our handlebars, some have their flags mounted on the sides. What a beautiful frame. Look at the scene from the Naveli traffic what we have here.
बहुत मजा आता है.
Ah, गर्मी full. It's boiling, dude. It's boiling.
बेटे आज कर दे.
वाह, कलाकार. I think I've chosen the right bike today with all the Royal Enfields, but I'm being the imposter here with the Harley. I'm the only one.
I'm built different.
I just stopped. I just stopped to get the raincoats off. Okay, armors down.
A few moments later.
And thank this guy for lending me the Type-C cord. Kudos to you, brother. Thank you. Your raincoat, bro. Shit, I just photobombed. I gave him the raincoat, but I'm feeling sad. I just photobombed. Sorry. So after the raincoat removal pit stop, we are back on our road to a waterfall in Kandkona Azun Magtagan now Sarkina. Wow, what a rhyming, dude. What a rhyming. So it's almost 10 o'clock. The journey is going very smooth, pretty smooth. And the weather is kind of playing tricks with us. Suddenly it is very sunny and suddenly it is cloudy again.
किसी एक का तो हो.
We've reached the Kunkoli market now. Another traffic lane. It's absolutely boring as Wait, butterfly Galmare. Distracted by butterfly. Spooky. On the guard section, we definitely have to split ourselves because there are some trucks in between, there are some cars in between, which breaks the flow of our chain. And today, I got this beauty with me and I have kept the Eclipse a bit silent. These days, I'm commuting, I'm riding with this only. Although I am not going for any major rides, but this for a short ride has to go because the way it handles the traffic and the minimal cruising style is amazing for such rides. Oh my god, look at those fog-kissed mountains. Check that view out. Check that view out. Cut. Wow, those are raincoat today tomorrow. Wrong day for a wrong glove. Raindrops are falling on my helmet.
सारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
Just as we entered Carlton Pond, we are welcomed by rain. And there is definitely no harm to us as we are going very slow. Not pacing up a little bit also.
आराम से लेने का. हाँ.
Are you stopping here for breakfast? Okay. Means another pit stop.
15 minutes later.
Let's go! Let's go, boys! Rain is probably not going our way. It has its own tricks. Hello, after a little bit of breakfast and snacks that we had over there, and we are back on the roads. And this is the place that I've been always talking about. I don't know if the camera is making justice. Absolutely magical. The roads are so smooth, man. Look at the place, dude. Look at the place, man. Oh, Goringa and Shed Sokol. Wow. Whoa, the raw water crossing. Woo! This place gets more beautiful as we go deep into the wild. Oh, have reached the place already? Have we already reached the place? Okay, so I'll see you guys at the location. So we have parked our bikes all here, and you can see this, but the place is so damn amazing. I just had a look of it, and I swear, it's so crazy, so crazy. That's it for today, guys. It's been an amazing ride. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more motor vlogs. Till then, peace out and.